I admit, I really hate doing custom orders. But quite often I have friends that do ask. And my friends are the biggest supporters of my business, so how can I say no? Many, many years ago, when I first started making soap, I had used an essential oil blend of lemon and eucalyptus. I typically lean more towards fragrance oils, but this one must have been on sale. One of my friends bought a few bars, and he said it made his bathroom smell so good. Like, he didn't even use it. He just walked in, and you could smell it. He's been asking me for a very long time to remake that soap. He even paid me in advance, like months in advance. So I made this cute little lemon and eucalyptus essential oils loaf. And he was right. When I walked into my soap shed, it just hit me in the face. A little goes a long way, and it's so strong and smells so good. Although my nose picks up more of a citronella than it does lemon and eucalyptus, who knows, it might even keep the mosquitoes away. It's not a very fancy bar, but I think the swirls are fun. Let me know if this is a scent you would wear, and I'll smell you later.